Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start protecting your investments with Ledger, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing a Ledger device that fits your needs, like the Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X. Purchase your Ledger device from the official website or an authorized retailer to ensure its authenticity. Once you have your device, unpack it carefully and connect it to your computer or mobile device using the provided cable. Download the Ledger Live application from the official website to manage your crypto assets easily. Install the Ledger Live application by following the on-screen instructions specific to your operating system. Open the Ledger Live app and select Get Started to begin the setup process. Connect your Ledger device to your computer or mobile device, and follow the prompts to initialize the device. Choose a PIN code that is secure yet memorable for you, and enter it on your Ledger device. Make sure to back up your recovery phrase by writing it down, ideally on a piece of paper, and store it in a safe place. Confirm your recovery phrase on the device by following the prompts to ensure you've recorded it correctly. After completing the setup, you'll be taken to the Ledger Live dashboard where you can view your assets. Now, add cryptocurrency accounts by selecting Accounts and then Add Account. Follow the prompts to do so. You can also buy cryptocurrency directly through Ledger Live by navigating to the Buy section. To send crypto, select the asset you wish to send, click on Send, and follow the instructions to input the recipient's address and amount. Make sure to double-check the details before confirming any transactions, as they cannot be reversed. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication on your Ledger Live account. Regularly update your Ledger Live application and device firmware to keep your security features up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively start protecting your investments with a Ledger device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.